See, Ravindra Bhavan, right now the department is with Honorable Chief Minister. It has to be taken up from his department now. It is his responsibility to take it forward. I have already had a dialogue with him and he has assured it will be done. So तुम्ही तेका Honorable CMकूय विचारात की म्हापसा रवींद्र भवना बद्दल कितें प्रोग्रेस जाला. So बाब गोविंद गावडे असले तेन्ना we were personally working on a one-to-one basis to ensure that project went through as soon as possible. He had told me 6 महिने भितर जातले म्हणून. So आता निमाणे कितें आसा, after the reshuffle, after the change in the minister, whether they will give a new art and culture minister or not give art and culture portfolio, I am not aware of what decision the government is going to take. But ultimately, Ravindra Bhavan still remains the priority of the people of North and the people of Bardesh. It is not my demand, लोकांचो demand. So सरकारान seriously हेजेर विचार करचे पडटले की ते करपाक जाय काय नाका. तुम्ही म्हाकाच विचारता परत आमी व्हरून सरकारा कडेन मांडटा. निमाणे सरकारान उत्तर दिवंक जाय की हे करपाचें आसा काय ना. So now you ask the relevant minister. Last time honorable minister बाब गोविंद गावडेन सांगले की पोमनी दादा कडल्यान हे काय रावल्ले म्हणून. तर पोमनी दादान दिल्लेले आसा. आता सरकारान थारोवचें कितें करपाचें आहा काय ना करपाचें.
Like, subscribe and get notified.